Okay, everybody, so I have another Swiss Army knife for you. As you can see, I have the box, and also as you can see, it's going to be a small one. I also have the instruction booklet, so I can look up whatever I'm not sure about. Alright, so here it is. It is the Swiss Champ Mini. Mini Sapphire. Sapphire because I love the blue. I love blue. Love blue, 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 blue. Okay. So, first things first. This pen. A retractable pen. Don't know how well you can see it. There it is. There it was. And there it is again. It's not focusing very well, but and I'll just show you. Okay, there's nothing on this, and now there's written with this pen. Okay, so we'll go from there. We have the teeny tiny little blade that says Victorinox, Switzerland stainless rust-free. Then we have an incredibly small Phillips head screwdriver. And it's so small that it won't focus. It's right there. Sorry. And let's see, the other thing, I forget what it is, so we'll look in the instruction booklet, and it's it's a cap lifter and wire stripper. Okay, then we have teeny tiny little scissors. Okay, we have a little keychain ring in case you want to put it on a keychain. And now we have the other side. Is that? I didn't realize. Oh, okay. It's not a blade. The nail file. Alright. Now we have what appears to be another blade, but it's a different sort of blade. It's flat. Oh, it's called an emergency blade. Okay. Then we've got this one had oil on it still. Let me get something to wipe that off my fingers. Okay, that's how new it is. You can see I haven't really used it at all. Okay, so this is a this very small ruler with 3.5 centimeters, and it looks like a little bit more than 1 inch. Oh, there's this. A tiny light. It really doesn't have that much power though. Okay. I shouldn't have thrown that tissue out because there's more oil on this thing. Okay. Alright, so the other thing we have, I think it's the last thing, is, I think this is a pharmaceutical spatula, which I don't really understand why they put that on there, but hey, it's there. Alright, so that's it for this one. pretty neat little knife. I love mini things, and I love blue things, so I had to get this. And I will see you guys next time. Alright.